Alright, folks. Bubba here today. Got a video about absolutely nothing but my face and my beautiful voice. So stick with me if you will. I got a couple questions, a little group participation might be required. I been real busy here lately doing a lot of things, and I went to thinking, how many hobbies do y'all have? I asked a bunch of people at work. The biggest I got was 3 or 4. Most people I asked said they have 1 or 2 things they really like to do, like a main thing and something they would do when they couldn't do the other thing. Usually I like to fish, but when I can't fish, I like to do something whatever at the house. You know, I like to make flowers and stuff. I don't know, but it was always like one main thing and then something else when they couldn't do that thing. So that got me to thinking. I think half my problem is I got way too many hobbies. There's like 15 things I like to do. For instance, this truck right here. I like working on vehicles. The other day I had plans to do something, and this truck showed up at my house with my buddy. He goes, "Hey, I'm busy. I need you to pull up some slack on this and fix this oil sending unit and fix this and that." And I'm like, "All right, let me do that." Well, shoot, now I got to go do tattoo. I like to do tattoos. Well, now I can't do the leather sheath I was trying to make because now I got a tattoo schedule. Well, shoot, I like to do leather. Well, let me start working on leather. And like all my buddies are going somewhere. We're going down to float the river. I love to float the river, but I promised this one guy I'd get this leather sheath done by Saturday evening. Well, I won't be floating the river. Shoot, I want to go over here and work on these deer antlers. I love carving deer antlers. Well, I ain't got time to do that half the time. I can't think of all the things I like to do. I like to do a whole lot of stuff. Then bushcrafting, fishing. I like to fish. Not real good at it, but I enjoy it. So do people like me just suck at everything because I can't focus enough time on it? Or do I keep doing 5,000 things and one time or another I'll get better at it? I think the dog ain't got much to say about it. Hold on. He's over here making weird noises. That's a question for y'all. How many hobbies do y'all have, and how many do you focus on? And have you had the problem I'm having, where there's so many things you want to do, but you probably should just focus on 1 or 2 things? Because something else I was thinking about was each group or each hobby has a different group of people. Like I work on trucks with my little brother, and that has a few different people we hang out with. Well, I hang out with them people mainly when I'm doing that hobby. Well, my little brother comes around all the time. It's kind of like a bad rash, but that's a different story. We won't talk about that weekend. Oh, what? But like my bushcraft people, I love going out and practicing bushcraft, and I usually hang out with just those people. But if I'm not practicing bushcraft or doing something bushcrafty, I don't usually hang out with them people. Same thing with the leather, the landscaping, and yard work, or gardening, or farming over there at Mom's place. But each hobby, and my motorcycle, I love riding my bike. I would like to get on my bike right now and ride for a couple hours and not come back until I'm ready. But I can't. I got something else I got to do. Then I'm supposed to be in Red Lobster at 6 o'clock, I think, for my sister's birthday. I'd have to check my phone, but I think that's what Mama said. I don't want to do that either, because I had plans to go split some wood to replace some wood that I borrowed from my dad. And then while I was down there splitting wood, I was going to load some motors up and move those for my buddy. How do you decide what hobbies or favors to do for people, or what to do? Or do you just say, screw it, these are my top 2, and that's what I'm going to do, or I'm just going to keep myself wide open all the time, doing 37 different things for 100 different people? Got no clue. But a little update on the horn. I've got a bunch of different videos already recorded for the horn, and I ain't done. I've bowled that horn up to like 10 or 15 minutes, and that ain't bending. I did watch a video, and I read an article the other day about a guy who does it in boiling water, and he said 1 hour and 45 minutes before the horn even starts to bend. And then once he takes it out of the boiling water, he keeps a heat gun on it the whole time he's bending it, and it did not look like it was easy to bend. So there's that. So I guess when I get some time, maybe next week, I'm going to try to let that horn bowl for 1 hour and 45 minutes and see if I can get that thing to bend. But I'm learning that too. Do I want to start working on horns? Is that something else I need to add to my list of stuff to do? I don't know. I guess we'll have to figure that all out. So there are more videos on the horns coming up for all those y'all asking. Just stick to it. You know, keep following me. Hang in there. I'll figure it out. We'll get more videos hopefully on a regular basis. Because I enjoy doing YouTube. I enjoy making these videos. But that's another hobby I don't hardly have time for. I had a motorcycle club meeting Wednesday night. So the video I was going to post didn't get posted. Because I was in the club till. What time did I get home? 10:30. I don't know. I got to limit some things. Got to get my priorities right. I don't know. But y'all do me a favor. Comment down below how many hobbies you got. How many things you like to do. If you sacrifice hobbies to be better at one. Or to spend more time at one you like more than the other. Or if you just try to stretch yourself thin and do all of them. Me and old Russell here. Going to chill out. And go get some things done. I'd rather be a dog. I think I'd rather hang out and do like he does. Just lay around all day. Rotten boy. Well, I guess that's it for today, folks. Sorry nothing productive or creative coming out of this video today. But it's Friday. I got to work tomorrow. So I got a few things to do. I guess I'm going to Red Lobster at 6 o'clock. And then I'll probably go get some wood and move a motor. And then go to bed so I can be at work at 6 in the morning. I don't know. Or we'll just play it by ear. So y'all stay cool out there. Do what you got to do and write some comments below. Ask me some questions. Tell me what you do. Do me a favor.